I'm a rich nigga, no bumming me. I wanna rock like roll me. I fuck her so good, she gon' come for me. I'm shut on my lean, I'm baby king. Ring cost the product king.
What's up, Horsepower Hills? Good morning. We're actually on the way to my friend's house with the M3. We have a big car show going on and a really cool photo shoot after. Kind of like the last video, but in a different location, different cars, different people. It's in Kent Island across the Bay Bridge. So it should be a good drive. It's like a 45-minute drive there. We're gonna get the Frozen Gray M3. There's going to be a Le Mans Blue M3 with us and a built WRX along with a older Camaro. Hopefully some other cars meet up with us to cruise down there. But it should be a good show. It's like BMW focused meet. Obviously any car can go. There's gonna be like Lambos, Ferraris, like all those cars like that. But it's gonna be like BMW focused. And it should be a really good show. We're taking the S-Class over there, and this thing is not slow. It's a twin turbo V8, 500 horsepower. I'll just do a quick pull for you all. It's actually insane how fast it is for like I think it's over like 5,000 pounds. But look at this. Like, that's so fast, bro. It's actually insane. It's a 1 of 30 spec in the US, actually. It's frozen gray. It has a two-tone fox red interior. Yeah, so 1 of 30 in the US. Gets a good amount of attention at car shows. Super wide. Yeah, this is what we'll be taking. And then a Le Mans Blue M3 will be meeting up with us as well. I'm pretty sure the blue E92 just pulled up or is pulling up because I just heard him downshift. And it might be the loudest E92 M3 in the world. You all can decide that, but it is actually insanely loud. Yeah, it just pulled up. It's so clean, bro. It has the M3 CSL rims, I think from the E46 yeah. But bro, it's clean. It's Le Mans Blue. Yeah, it's nice. Alright, we're about to head out now. That's WRX, E92 M3, and Camaro. Alright, we just put up to the show a little bit ago and it's a really good turnout, so I'll show you all some cars. Probably my favorite one is this M4 over here. Well, maybe not favorite one, but definitely top 3 because there's some really nice builds here. It's like all BMWs and some supercars, McLarens, Vipers, Audi R8. We'll go see it over there, but this is a really nice M4. Probably like one of my favorite that's here right now. It has 2 intakes up at the top, and then the interior is like really well done. I haven't seen these like the Alcantara on these seats yet. Got an Alcantara steering wheel and it's manual, so looks really good. The silver rims like really pop on the car. This X3M is pretty nice as well, but there's some really nice cars over there that we'll go check out. Yeah, it's a pretty good show. Check out how wide this M3 is. I don't know why, but it seems a lot wider. It's just probably because it's lowered. We have a pretty good spec lineup right here. We have this F80 M3, another F80 M3, basically the same spec, just has different rims. And then a really nice E92 M3, and a little lineup of them right here. Oh, there's a few cars over here, but there's some Camrys. There's M3. This is like the best like classic spec, I feel like. And then another F80. That's a little bit of a like pinker red. This is more red. It's really nice though. I think down the road I'll definitely get an F82 M4. Maybe after the WRX, or maybe I'll keep the WRX and get this, but this is probably the spec I would get. I would definitely get silver rims though, because I feel like silver rims definitely make the car pop a lot more. It is a CS, so it's pretty nice, but I definitely want Le Mans blue F82 M4. It's really nice. Bro, something just ripped. Oh, Corvette Z06. Viper. Most of the cars are heading out, so we're gonna head out now and go to a photo shoot under a bridge. Should be super aesthetic. Probably won't stay around there too long because I do have work later, but just gonna go check it out. Oh my God. Bro, there's a cop coming around. We just got down to the bridge. They have like another meet going on over there, and then there's one over here. A little bit more chill. Got some really good specs. Red, white, and blue right here. The cleanest X5M comp in the world, bro. Oh my gosh.
I got what you need. Niggas can't fuck with me. You wanna move cities, then come to me. Wanna have fun with me, like I'm a rich nigga, no bumming me. I wanna rock like rock with me. I fuck her so good, she gon' come for me. I'm shut on my lean, I'm baby king. Ring cost a quarter key. It's 5% she ride with me. It's like 10 American.